Hello everyone, my dear students. Now I am performing an activity to related blood group. So every citizen compulsory know their blood groups for the protection and also helping to others. So one person blood donation can help to and save the 5 persons. So the students who have proper health and weight should be eligible for the blood donation. In this activity, we have made blood grouping kit, which consists of antiserum A, antiserum B, and RH factor and antiserum D. So disposable needles and surgical spirit and some cotton. So we have taken a clean ceramic plate. So we can make 3 circles and label antiserum A, antiserum B, antiserum D.
Now I am going to rest.
So now I am performing this activity. First we are placing 3 antiserums. First we are taking 1 drop of antiserum A, antiserum B, and antiserum D. Now we are taking blood. Before taking blood sample, first we are left hand ring finger, we can rub some spirit, and then we are taking disposable needle and we are taking 1 drop of blood. So mix it separately with the mixing sticks. We are using separate sticks in each circle, and then we are wait for the few minutes because RH factor reaction takes place some more time. So and rotating for some time, and then observe the agglutination. So agglutination occurs in antiserum A, and this is the A positive blood group, and agglutination occurs in antiserum B and antiserum D, it is B positive, and antiserum A, antiserum B, antiserum D consist agglutination occurs AB positive, and the only RH factors only RH factor decide the agglutination. RH factor only decide the blood sample is positive or negative. So zoom here. So in this blood sample, agglutination occurs in antiserum B and RH factor. So the blood sample now we are taken is B positive. Agglutination occurs in both circle, antiserum B circle and antiserum D. So antiserum A does not occurs any agglutination. The antiserum B circle and antiserum D circle both having agglutination process. So we are taking the blood sample is B positive. So okay. Now in this activity we must follow some precautions. So first when we are performing an activity, in the performing blood test we use different needles for the different persons. The needle should not be repeated. This activity should perform under supervision of teachers or persons or elders. After activity, disclose the material in proper way, and we must compulsory use hand gloves. And in this activity we are taken blood sample is antiserum A agglutination does not occur, antiserum B agglutination occurs, and RH factors antiserum D or agglutination occurs. So we are the blood sample is B positive. So in this activity we are detecting the taken blood group is B positive, and we must follow some precautions and some condition in this way. Don't perform in your own way. It is compulsory you should undertaken supervision of elders or teachers. So these are the simple activity to find our blood group, and thank you for the chance to make the video. Thank you.